Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 19 and the topic is Thailand. Let's go. Thailand is a country in Southeast Asia. Thailand's most prevalent religion is Theravada Buddhism, which is an integral part of Thai identity and culture. Active participation of Thailand in Buddhism is among the highest in the world. It has the second largest number of Buddhists in the world after China. Cultural traditions of the country incorporate a great deal of influence from India, China, Cambodia, and rest of Southeast Asia. Thai Buddhism has evolved over time to include many regional beliefs originating from Hinduism, animism, as well as ancestor worship. Several ethnic groups mediated change between the traditional local culture, national Thai, and global cultural influences. Overseas Chinese also form a significant part of Thai society, particularly in and around Bangkok. Talking about the Thai art, the origins were very much influenced by Buddhist art and by scenes from Indian epics. Traditional Thai paintings usually consist of book illustrations and painted ornamentation of buildings such as palaces and temples. Also, the traditional Thai sculptures almost exclusively depicts images of the Buddha, being very similar with the other styles from Southeast Asia. A little bit about the life of Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama grew up as a prince in a wealthy family in modern-day Nepal between 566 and 480 BC. He led a privileged and sheltered life, but at the age of 29, he was moved by the suffering he saw in the world. He decided to give up his riches for poverty. However, when that didn't fulfill him and give him the enlightenment he was looking for and end his suffering, he opted to what is called the middle way. He didn't give in to indulgences, but he also didn't deprive himself. He decided to leave his royal responsibilities and his family in order to realize full enlightenment. He left the palace secretly and set off alone into the forest. Over the next 6 years, he met many talented meditation teachers and mastered their techniques. He found that they showed him mind's potential but not mind itself. Finally, at a place called Bodh Gaya, the future Buddha decided to remain in meditation until he knew mind's true nature and could benefit all beings. After spending 6 days and nights cutting through mind's most subtle obstacles, he reached enlightenment under a Bodhi tree on the full moon morning of May, a week before he turned 35. At the moment of full realization, all veils of mixed feelings and stiff ideas dissolved, and Buddha experienced all-encompassing here and now. The separation in time and space disappeared. Past, present, and future, near and far, melted into one radiant state of intuitive bliss. He became timeless, acknowledging every cell in his body. He knew and was everything. He became Buddha, the awakened one. After his enlightenment, Buddha traveled on foot throughout northern India. He taught constantly for 45 years. People of all castes and professions, from kings to courtesans, were drawn to him. He answered their questions, always pointing towards that which is ultimately real. Throughout his life, Buddha encouraged his students to question his teachings and confirm them through their own experience. In Buddhist symbolism, the lotus represents the purity of body, speech, and mind, as if floating above the murky waters of material attachment and physical desire. According to legend, Gautama Buddha's first step made lotus flowers appear everywhere he stepped. Lotus thrones are the normal pedestal for the most important figures in Buddhist art. This was it for the art about Thailand today. Do let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.